Hey, what's up, guys? It's your fellow sneakerhead, Down South Player 713, coming back with a quick pickup. Now, I'm actually real happy to show y'all this to y'all. As you can see, it's gonna be an Air Jordan 11 with your little blue Jumpman, letting y'all know it's the Space Jam. I've seen a lot of Space Jams out in the market or the sneaker groups, but there's always that back feeling. There's always feeling in the back of your head that you're buying an unauthorized or super perfect pair or replica, and for that reason I've never really pulled the trigger onto picking up a pair. But finally the time came where I found a legit seller, and I know he's legit, so I was able to cop these. What I was trying to look for when trying to buy a pair of any 11s is this little sticker on the corner. That's always a good sign to begin with, but don't ever just go for the box, because how hard is it to switch out the shoes and just keep the original and switch it out with the fake. But not just that, it was other things I looked for before I decided to purchase this shoe. But let's just get into the shoe to show you real quick. But yeah, one of the things I looked for was for this sticker on the corner. No, just because it doesn't have the sticker doesn't mean it's a fake. As you can see, I have my cool gray 11s right here, and it doesn't have a sticker, it just has a sticker from Soul Supremacy. But Soul Supremacy is also a legit seller, so trust from that. And I'm trying to find another shoe that doesn't have a sticker on it, but that's all the 11s I have right now. But anyway, that's one. As you can see, it comes with OG everything. Tinker made them shine, Mike made them fly, you made them iconic with your XI Roman numerals for 11. Let's take out the cover. Got your little carbon fiber paper and the actual shoe itself, the Space Jam 11. This is actually a very near dead stock pair. Worn about, he says he wore them about twice. And as you can see, back here's where the wear shows usually on the NU11 is the creasing, but virtually no creasing. Actually, there's no creasing. That's a good thing about it. Carbon fiber looks good. The yellowing around the soles looks good. The shade of the shoe looks good. The fakes are not as awesome that the blue tint, and everything seems to check out. The Jumpman logo, the little logo was right here in the third line, and then the ball lines up to the 23. Everything seemed good, but what kind of made me feel a little easier about buying them was the receipt. This actually came with the original receipt from the local store here at Houston. So it kind of made it easier to buy, I guess. Like I said, it's not hard to switch out the shoes, but most of the times people want to keep this so they can keep scamming or whatever the key reason is. But this was a good reason I bought this shoe. I did pay a pretty penny though, but it was worth it, because I know mine are legit. Because I see a lot of people selling these for about 180, 200. I've seen the pairs for about 160 sometimes, but there's always that feeling in the back of your head saying they're not legit. They can't be legit. But for this pair, I paid a pretty good penny. But just to be able to say they're legit, I think it's worth it. I guess for me, it's worth it anyway. Cause I've had a pair of Space Jams in the past, but I just didn't trust them. So I got rid of them, and when I saw them, I let them know, hey, I don't know if they're legit, but this is the shoe. But anyway, this is my pickup for the week. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Down South Player 713 out.